Hi, I'm Leo, and in this video, we'll be going over syntax in Python. So like back in the university, certain lecturers had their methods, their style, and rules. And for you to do well in that course, you have to keep to these rules. And whether or not you agree with them does not count. So same applies to programming languages. Each programming language has a unique way of writing its code, and that is what we call the syntax. So syntax basically is a set of rules that govern how code is written and structured in a particular programming language. And these areas include how you use identifiers, like how you name your variables, your functions, and stuff like that. The keywords, the white space, punctuation, operators, and so on. For example, in Python, you don't need to put a semicolon at the end of each line of code. But in C, you must do that, else you're going to get an error. All right, so learning and sticking with a syntax or the syntax for a particular programming language will reduce the stress of debugging. And lastly, the importance of these include readability, consistency, and correctness. So when you use the right syntax, it makes it very easy for the code to be read and understood by not just you, but other programmers and the machines which would be using these codes. All right, so in my next video, I'm going to give you the set of rules